Hello cookies, and welcome back to another video. Your girl is gonna have in this video so nice. I bought it twice. I know it's an older tag, but I do want to show you guys a couple of items that I thought were so nice. I bought them twice, and just a little haul, just a few little random things that I picked up. So if you're interested in seeing what your girl picked up in my random haul, then stay tuned below. Okay, so in this video, I have these two bags by Coach, and I got these on such a good deal. I bet you, I'm not sure exactly, but I'm sure I paid less than $126 for each of them. And they are so good that I haven't really felt the need to really buy another tote. I still got stuff in it. I was just looking to see if I have the tag. They could use to be cleaned up a little bit, but it's pebbled leather. This is Daisy Duck. Isn't she cute? This is like, I would say it's like the gallery tote, except it's leather. It's leather in the inside. Look at that nice cherry red color. It looks like cherry cola to me. And it has this back pocket here with a zipper. Oh no, it's a snap. It's a snap. And your girl, I have spilled drinks in this bag, and it's like the perfect little bag. It has the zipper with a magnet. It has a magnet on the side here. You can see the zipper has a magnet, so it sticks in the inside and it stays. And I love this little bag. I give it a break because I wear it sometimes when I wear it all the time. And what I really love about it is that it's structured. It stays structured. And then the other one is its twin, which is red. I mean, I must have ordered these at the same time. This one has Skating Mickey. And then I have my little bubble bar charm on them, if you can see. I think that charm is so cute. I got that from TJ Maxx, and it's the same leather in the inside. It has the snap pocket. Oh, I have the tag for this one. This one is the Disney motif CNTRL tote, 1941 red. This is the tag. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm trying to stay behind the tag. But yeah, it has the same, it has like a more of a brown lining in the inside. And yeah, your girl still got stuff in here too. Your girl just move out her bag and don't move everything. It still has the top zipper with the black gunmetal. So yeah, this one is so nice. I bought it twice, and I love these bags, and they pretty much stand up. This one must be dented from sitting close to something else, but I could stuff it more. So that one is that. And then I picked up a new bag that reminds me of this one. Now, a lot of ladies, I know Mo Knows Beauty, a few ladies on YouTube have this bag. I'm not really a fan of it for a couple of reasons, because, I mean, I like it, but I don't like it. It's got this little pocket in the back. Here's the tag. This is a tabby backpack in fuchsia. I'm not going to get rid of it yet, but it's not like my favorite because of the chain. I love the inside. I love the color. I love the C here. I think the C is so cute. I love the two little pockets, the twist lock pockets. It's a nice size, but it's not easy for your girl to carry. I carried it on my shoulder. I carried it like this. I put my hand in it. I adjusted the strap. I carried it crossbody. I did carry it for a couple days, but you know, I wasn't really feeling it. So when I saw this one, I was like, oh, I think this one would be a better fit. This one is the Coach Hattie. And I think that they look so similar, except one is retail and one is, this is the RFB, Refined Hatley backpack, and the color is dark teal. Here's the tag for that. Hope you can see it. I like this one because the handle is permanent. It's not like that one. It keeps rolling around, fussing, you know, like it's like a sliding chain contest. I don't like that about that bag. So I like that this handle is stationary. This is twist lock. This is easier. That one you have to push in. This one's twist lock. So it has the 2 front pockets. I'm sure they're about the same. And then this one has the backpack straps that are like stationary. This, I just don't dig this moving around, choking around, playing around, fooling around. So I think that these are the same. So nice. I bought it twice. So I might consider getting rid of this pink tabby. I like the color. But this one, I think I got it for like, it was like $84. I just couldn't believe that it was that price, and I ordered it and it came. And it was brand new. As you see, it hasn't been opened. So I think I would like this one better than that one. So nice. I bought it twice. All right. And of course, if you know me, you already know I have backpacks. But I do have these 2 Dooney Bourkes. I love this bag, and I ordered another one, which I haven't even worn yet. I don't know what my problem is. This is called the Sky Blue White Zip Pod backpack. But it's the same backpack. So nice. I bought it twice. This will come in handy, even though it's like a basket for like summertime. I'll wear this year round. It's like blue. I think this will look cute with jeans. I like these backpacks. And the leather is good on the Dooney Bourke. And I have a matching wallet to this. I'm sure it's somewhere. But yeah, so nice. I bought it twice. These are so cute. And then, oh yeah. Oh, my mirror. This mirror right here, I bought it at TJ Maxx for the, I wanted to put it in the guest room, or I don't know where I'm going to quite put it at yet, but I've been liking it by the door because I get a chance to look at myself before I walk out the door, which is really nice. By the way, I still got that Coach bag over there. I got to show y'all what's in that Coach bag. I know I do, but I'll show you this Coach item. Ah! Rexy! I got the Rexy t-shirt. I got to be careful because I got on the red lipstick. I don't want to get my shirt dirty before I wear it. But I rolled up the sleeves. I thought it would look cute with the sleeves rolled up on it. I might cut this collar off. I haven't decided. I'm going to wear it and see if the collar bugs me. But it's like a men's shirt. It's the Coach Rexy. So yeah, it's so cute. This one's a 2X. And it fits. It's a little baggy. It's a little roomy. So I don't know. I was thinking of like cutting it off or something at the bottom so that it won't hang so long. But we'll see, because I was thinking, oh, it might look cute with a belt around the waist. So yeah, that's one Coach item I got. I got these from Marc Jacobs. One is large and one is small. So nice. I bought it twice. I love them both. I don't really care for this one that much because the strap should be just a little bit longer, but it's okay. I will carry it. I have carried it. It doesn't have feet on the ground. These, this one is nice for just, you know, kicking it, hanging out. It's like a nice little everyday purse because it holds a lot too. It's got the crossbody strap, which I have on there. I love this leather on these Marc Jacobs pieces, and I got these from the outlet for about the same price, maybe like $100 and something. So nice, you girl. But oh, look, you see that dust? It's so dusty in Arizona. Hey Alexa, what's the weather in Scottsdale, Arizona?
Right now in Scottsdale, Arizona, it's 99 degrees Fahrenheit with partly sunny skies. Tonight's forecast has cloudy skies with a low of 78 degrees.
So that's what it's 99, and that 99 is like at the heart of the day. So anyway, it's so dusty here You know, that's why I try to keep my bags in dust bags because it's so dusty. So nice, so nice. I bought it twice. Let's go and look at a couple of my backpacks. Okay, and then of course your girl has the Court backpack by Coach. This is the mini, and then this is the denim one. It's so cute. This is my little denim drawstring bag. And then this is my mini purple. I think it's called Sport Purple backpack. And then of course I have another purple one. I think this is the brown, dark brown with iris. Yeah, this is the Court backpack. I love the Court backpack. I should get the large one. But yeah, so these are my Coach. I think I have maybe 5 of these. 5 of these. So yep, that's the Coach Court backpack. These are so nice. It's got the pebble leather at the bottom. It's got the nice zipper. It's got the little side pockets. You could put like your phone, water bottles. And then my iPad Pro doesn't fit in here. It's too big. But my regular iPad does, or my mini fits in here. But yeah, these are nice. These are nice as purses and as work bags because they do hold a lot. Look how wide it is. So, and I think I just got one more. So nice. I bought it twice. Just to girl making a mess. I did all this little knick-knack stuff. Look at this. Longchamp. 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 It has a back pocket. These are messenger bags. These are really nice. I should carry one tomorrow. This is these were $139. Longchamp Paris. It has a back pocket. It has crossbody strap. It's like gray in the inside. It has 2 front pockets. And these are really nice. I really like these bags. I don't know why I haven't carried it in a while, but they crossbody. I believe my iPad fits in here. My iPad Pro. 12.9, and then this is what the pink one looks like. It has the back pocket, same crossbody, has the 2 front pockets. You can put your phone here, your charger. You can have a little toiletry pouch, and I love the back pocket. It has like the little gold silver accents on this one. It's like turquoise and pink. It's so cute. It's nice. It's a nice size where you don't have to stuff it too much, you see. So yeah, these are my Longchamps. I need to carry one of these. I'm gonna pull one of these out and carry one of these just for old time's sake, because they really are nice work bags. They hold a lot, and I like the little snaps on them. They're so cute, and they're lightweight, and they're good for the rain. I like to pull those out when it's raining. And then I have these Longchamps. So yeah, I should do a thumbnail. My thumbnail could be these. And these are, I believe these are the same size. I really like these bags. I like to travel with them because I usually travel with my Longchamp backpack because they're like waterproof, rainproof. So these are like the same. I think these are different series or something of them, but they're basically the same size bag. Nice and roomy. They got the little front pocket. You can put your keys. And then when they open up, they're big. And I haven't ever used a bag organizer in it. I don't think so. But yeah, these are my Longchamps. And then last but not least, my favorite bag of all time, which I love. My Dooney Bourke Ronnie backpack. I have one that I haven't even opened yet. I'm saving it for fall. So it's a nice fall color. Yeah, this one is caramel. And then this is, what does it say? Ronnie backpack. So yeah, these are my favorite bags. I love my Ronnie backpacks. I have one in Florentine. And then I have one that I got from Says What, which is a Green Bay Packer. And I might have 2 other. I don't know for sure. Maybe I don't. Maybe I just have 4. for, because I did sell one. I'm still heartbroken about it. What was I thinking? I sold my Florentine caramel Ronnie backpack, and I don't know what I was thinking, but anyway. So yeah, that's what your girl got. Oh, I did stop at Walmart. Y'all want to see it right quick? I got a dress. I seen it on Stylish Curves, and I love Walmart. Maybe I should do this in another video. It's a navy blue. I love navy blue. This one wasn't the one she had on, but this one is. I like these long dresses, especially with my cowboy boots. I could wear my Western hat with them. I could wear my little page boy hat. They got pockets. It's like 100% cotton. This has got a zipper down the front. It's like country girl. I'm country. I always been country. This is free assembly. I got an extra large size 16 through 18, so we'll have to try it. And then I bought the little sweater because, you know, in the inside, it's always cold. So when you go somewhere, you're going to need a sweater. And I thought this sweater was cute, the navy blue. With the little, it's got something on it. Like, look like little Pac-Man or arcade or something like that. So yeah, I got that. It doesn't, I got a size XXL. And then this is the dress. I think she had on the navy blue one. But this is the one that I got. I have to try it on to see if it fits. If I like it, I might order some online. So it's long sleeve. It's like a shirt. It's stripes. I thought this would look cute with like a red sweater, a pink sweater. This would look so cute with my, it's got like a little tie waist belt with my cowboy boots. Yeah. Or I could wear it with a brown sweater, and it has a little pocket here on both sides. I love a dress with a pocket. You can always put your phone in it, or you can put your car keys or something. So that's what your girl got. So thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to thumbs up. And what else? What else I got to say? Peace out. Deuces. See you cookies in the next video. Bye.